Good morning students, welcome to class 11 biology class. In previous period we have read about mitochondria. Proceeding this study, mitochondria are semi-autonomous organelles or intracellular symbiotic structures. As you know, mitochondria has its own DNA and ribosomes so that it can duplicate and form copy of the mitochondria. The mitochondria inside all eukaryotic cells show a large degree of autonomy. Therefore, these are called semi-autonomous body. Autumn believed the chloroplast and mitochondria bear three symbiotic structures. Their structures are similar to that of prokaryotic cell. These structures enter into the eukaryotic cells, and today we found them as cell organelles. Following fact prove the mitochondrial semi-autonomy. Mitochondria have their own DNA which can replicate independently. Mitochondrial DNA produces its own messenger RNA, transfer RNA, mRNA, tRNA and ribosomal RNA. Messenger RNA, transfer RNA and ribosomal RNA which help in the protein synthesis. Ribosomes found in mitochondria is 70 S type. Here S is the Sedberg units. We show the sedimentation ratio of the ribosomes when the cytoplasm is sedimented. Mitochondria have their own protein synthetic machinery. With the help of DNA and ribosomes, it can synthesize its own protein. New mitochondria arise from pre-existing mitochondria through simple division. Mitochondria produce many enzymes for their functionings. These can grow internally. Besides these facts, mitochondria are only semi-autonomous and not fully autonomous because many other mitochondrial enzymes are not synthesized inside them. Therefore, they depend partly on the nucleus. The functions of mitochondria. Mitochondria perform most important functions like oxidation, dehydrogenation, oxidative phosphorylation and respiratory chain of the cell or the ETS, electron transport chain of the cell. Structure of mitochondria and enzymatic systems are fully adapted for their different functions. Mitochondria are actual respiratory center of the cell where the carbohydrate and fat are completely oxidized into carbon dioxide and water. Energy released during this process is stored in mitochondria in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP is used in various vital activities. Thus, mitochondria are called as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are said to help in the formation of yolk in the developing ovum. An egg contains two parts: outer transparent portion, which is called albumin, and at the middle there is yellow portion which is called the yolk. Mitochondria also form a spiral in the developing sperm around axial filament in the middle part of sperm. Now, other cell organelles, plastid are colored bodies or colored structures inside the cells. Plastids are mostly found in the plant cells. Plastids. Plastids were discovered by E. Haeckel in 1865, but the term was coined by A. F. W. Simper in 1885. Presence of plastic is the characteristic feature of plant cells and some photosynthetic protists. Plastids are the largest organelles but smaller than nucleus of plant cell. Occurrence of plastids are found in all plant cells and in some protists, but it is absent in Monera, fungi and animals. These are also absent in gametes and zoospores of plants. Kinds or types of plastids. Primarily, plastids are of three types. Chromoplasts, which provide color to the cell or organism. Chloroplast, main photosynthetic apparatus, and leucoplast, food storing plastids. Chromoplasts, which provide color to the cells. These are two types. Pheoplast and rhodoplast. Main example of pheoplast is fugoxanthin and phycoerythrin is the rhodoplast which provide red color to the cells. Food storing plastids according to stored food materials, protein, carbohydrate, fat. It is of three types. Aleuroplast, which store protein. Aleuroplast are protein storing plastids. Elaioplast, oil storing or fat storing. Oil storing plastids. And amyloplast, starch storing plastids. Amyloplast stores starch, elaioplast stores fat or lipids, and aleuroplast stores protein substances. The chromoplasts, chroma means colored, plastid means formed, are colored plastid of plant cells which is found in those parts which are exposed to light. For example, leaves, flowers, etc. Chromoplasts are formed either from the chloroplast by the replacement of chlorophyll with other pigment, for example, red pigment, lycopene in tomato and chilies. On the ripening, tomato and chili become red. Earlier they are green. So here chloroplast is converted into chromoplast leucopene. Or from the leucoplast by the development of some pigments like carotene, carrot roots. Different color of plant parts are due to presence of different pigments in their chromoplast. Some of pigments in their color are like the lycopene. Its color is bright red or orange red. Phycoerythrin, light red, phycoerythrin, light red in color, phycocyanin, blue in color, xanthophyll, yellow or brown, color, carotene, orange or light red, and hematochrome, blood red. In algae, two specific type of chromoplast are found, pheoplast and rhodoplast. Pheoplasts are brown or yellow plastids which are found in brown algae, diatoms and dinoflagellates. In brown algae, it is the pigment fucoxanthin which has the ability to absorb light and transfer the energy to chlorophyll. Rhodoplasts are red colored plastids often found in red algae, Rhodophyceae. Red color is due to presence of pigment phycoerythrin which absorb the light energy and perform photosynthesis. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is most widely distributed chromoplast in the plant cells. It is found in all green plants. It contains chlorophyll, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, DNA and RNA. Chlorophyll A and B are different in the manner. One is yellowish green and another is bluish green. We will discuss here chloroplast because of two reasons. Firstly, they are most commonly occurring plastid in the plant cells, and secondly, they perform photosynthesis. They are the main source of food for whole living world. Chloroplasts play an important role in the origin of life because plants prepare food for themselves and all other living organisms by the help of chloroplast, and they also produce oxygen which is necessary for life, that is for respiration. Origin of terrestrial organism started after the development of photosynthetic organism or autotrophs. We will discuss about chloroplast in detail because they are most abundantly found in green plants and perform photosynthesis. Occurrence of chloroplast. It is most common green plastid which is found in all green plants and also found in some protists, for example, Euglena. Shape of chloroplast in higher plants. Chloroplasts are biconvex or plano-convex in shape. However, in different plant cells, they may have filamentous, spheroid, ovoid, club-shaped. In lower plants such as Eulothrix, collar-like, Chlamydomonas, cup-like, Spirogyra, spiral-shaped, and in Anthocerus, it is spindle-shaped. But in most of higher plants, it is biconvex. Double layered are bounded by two unit membranes. Each membrane is trilaminar. Inside the inner membranes, a jelly-like fluid substance is filled, which is known as matrix, and in matrix there is grana. Shape, size of chloroplast varies from species to species. Chloroplasts are generally 1 to 3 micron in thickness and 5 millimicron in diameter. In general, chloroplasts of plant grown in the shade are larger and contain more chlorophyll in comparison to those plants which are grown in sunlight. Number of chloroplasts usually remain constant for a particular plant cell. In higher plants, 20 to 40 chloroplasts per cell. Leaf of Ricinus communis contain about 4 lakh chloroplasts per square millimeter of surface area. Chemical compositions. Chemically, chloroplasts are composed of carbohydrate 7 to 8%, lipid 20 to 30%, protein 35 to 55%, chlorophyll, carotenoids, carotene and xanthophyll, DNA, RNA, certain enzymes and coenzymes. Chloroplasts also contain metallic atoms like iron, copper, manganese, zinc, magnesium and phosphorus. Ultrastructure of chloroplast. In the ultrastructure of chloroplast, 3 structures are seen: limiting membranes, matrix and laminar system inside the matrix, which is known as grana. So first is limiting membrane or outer boundary wall. Electron microscopic studies have shown that chloroplasts are bounded by 2 unit membranes like mitochondria. Each membrane is trilaminar, lipoproteinous in nature and about 50 angstrom thick. Trilaminar means their covering membrane is made up of 3 layers: outer and inner protein and middle fat, like membrane of other cell organelles and cell membrane. Intermembrane space is about 25 to 70 angstroms. Space between outer membrane and inner membrane is 25 to 75 angstrom. Between 2 membranes there is a fluid-filled intermembranous periprostidal space. Outer, inner membrane. This is matrix. The stroma or matrix is the inner matrix of chloroplast which fills in the hollow space. In this matrix, the unit structure of chloroplast, the grana and intergrana connecting membranes remain embedded. Stroma contains 70S ribosome, DNA, messenger RNA, transfer RNA, enzyme, other types of proteins and lipids. In addition to above, stroma also contains ATP, ADP, FAD, plastocinin, plastocyanin, ferredoxins, cytochrome, NADP, etc., which are required for oxidative phosphorylation reactions. Means formation of ATP during light energy. DNA is circular and necked and called as plastidome. Matrix contain an enzyme ribosco-ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, which is essential for CO2 fixation. This enzyme absorbs atmospheric carbon dioxide and starts the photosynthetic process. Matrix provides site for CO2 fixation and protein synthesis. Fixation of CO2 takes place in matrix and utilization of light energy takes place in grana. Grana are disc-like structures held one above other in the matrix of chloroplast, which may be connected with each other through interlaminar membrane. Grana. Chloroplast consists of many granular chlorophyll bearing bodies known as grana. Size of grana varies from 0.3 to 1.7 micron. A chlorophyll may contain 40 to 60 grana per cell. Each grana is composed of 10 to 100 disc-like superimposed membranous component known as thylakoids. One of the discs which contain chlorophyll called thylakoid. Each thylakoid is separated from the stroma or the matrix of the chlorophyll by its unit membrane. It is membrane bounded structures. In a granum, these thylakoids are arranged in parallel to form the stake, like the stake of coins. The grana of chloroplast are interconnected by a network of membranous tubules, which are given out by the membrane of certain thylakoid into the matrix. The interconnecting membrane of grana are known as stromal lamellae or threads. These threads are stomatal lamellae. Quantasome are photosynthetic units. Thylakoid membrane possesses photosynthetic pigments and coupling factors. Photosynthetic pigments, chlorophylls, are found in thylakoids, which is involved in ATP synthesis. Photosynthetic molecules are present in group of 200 to 250 in each thylakoid. Chlorophyll is the molecule which is able to absorb solar radiant energy, and by this energy photolysis of water molecule take place, which produce energy and reducing powers. Or hydrogen ions and ATP are produced, which is utilized during for the conversion of carbon dioxide into carbohydrate in the matrix of chlorophyll. In this way, there are two reactions in photosynthesis process. One is light reactions, which take place in grana, and other is dark reactions. It does not mean it don't take place at that time, but it don't require light energy. The dark reaction takes place in matrix or stroma of the chloroplast, and light reaction in the grana of the chloroplast. These were discovered by Park and Biggins. These are the units that are capable of absorbing light energy, or photon. Photon is the unit of light, and quantum is the amount of energy contained by one photon. Here, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Different type of pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, carotenes may be present in a quantasome. The pigments of chloroplast: first is chlorophyll, chlorophyll A. Its general formula is C55H72O5N4 and Mg. Magnesium is the central molecule of chlorophyll. It has methyl group. The difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B is the presence of methyl group of second ring of third carbon atoms and presence of aldehyde group. Aldehyde group is found in chlorophyll B and methyl group in chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is found in all green plants except photosynthetic bacteria. Chlorophyll B C55H 70O 6N4 Mg. It has aldehyde group. It is found in higher plants and green algae only. Chlorophyll C, it is found in brown algae, Phaeophyceae and diatoms which do not contain chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll D is found in red algae, Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyll E found in yellow-green algae, Xanthophyceae. Each chlorophyll molecule is formed of two parts, head formed of a tetrapodal porphyrin ring with magnesium ion at the central, and tail formed of a long chain alcohol pyrrole attached with pyrrole ring of head. Bacterial chlorophyll. Photosynthetic bacteria also contain two types of chlorophyll pigments, bacteriochlorophyll and bacteriobiretins. Bacteriochlorophyll is found in two types, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Bacteriobiretins found in green sulfur bacteria, also known as Chlorobium chlorophyll. Accessory pigments, carotenoids. It is found in two forms, carotene and xanthophyll. Carotene is found in different forms. Their general formula is C40H56. That means it consists of only carbon and hydrogen. Xanthophyll is found in many forms, but their general formula is C40H56O2. Carotenes are called as accessory chloroplast because they absorb sunlight energy and then transfer it to chlorophyll A. It itself is incapable of converting sunlight energy into chemical energy.